up, guys? I am Crawler 2000. Today I'm going to be talking about the new TDS update and the new Duck Hunt event. So yeah, here we go. Now, first of all, there's a new lobby theme, like new lobby music, mini Earth statue and stuff like that. A new lobby, new music. But there's also some teasers. Well, not teasers, but stuff like new inventory coming soon, and new shop coming soon, which is actually kind of nice. Like, it'll be something to do in my life. I won't have to wait for like the next TDS update for like 5 years. I mean, at least I'll know what's coming. And there's also matchmaking. Pretty cool. That way I won't get stuck with a bunch of noobs. So I hope that there wouldn't be automatic, like, only matchmaking. That would be kind of lame. Like, for example, if you want to play with your low-level friend, you get stuck with some higher-level people instead. So, yeah. Now, that's it. There's also a new losing theme. I saw it. And yes, I also got Ranger, and there's also the new, like, moves update. Like, basically, there are these new roofs that'll indicate what is a cliff spot and, like, where is a cliff spot and which is not. But only if you have a cliff tower. For example, Ranger, can tell you that you need the place. Yeah, now let's talk about the Duck Hunt. Now it is sort of cool. I mean, there's the new plot buying mechanic, and the boss fight. Well, the mini boss, while quite hard, you have to read. It's not that bad. Wow. Whole time. This is gonna be hard. 1 out of 128. Hold up. I'm really anxious. So yeah, anyways, that's all about it. So yeah, now there's a plot buying mechanic. Pretty cool. And if you don't want to get into the boss fight just yet, then you can just stall for a bit. And if you stall, there's gonna be this endless mode. Pretty cool. There's also the new farm. Like, the event there's a farm. Basically, the tower is useless. The tower itself is useless. And instead, there's this variant of it which gives everyone cash. Also, let's talk about the new faces update for a second. Why? Well, congratulations, Hunter. I'm never gonna use you again. Like, no. Anyways, faces update is also kind of annoying since like the mini gunner and stuff. It's gonna be annoying. Anyways, that's all. And yeah, now let's talk about how disappointed I am with the event. What the? Okay, so yeah. Okay, now time to play some Mayor right over here. Okay, so yeah. Now, the boss fight Now the boss is also kind of lame since it has just way too many stunning abilities. Like, there's only one ability actually is key. And like it increases your base health. That's not even a problem to me and get like a lot of base health. And the event is quite easy if you have a if you get a good team, then the event is honestly like super easy. Like heck, one player can be AFK throughout the match and easily beat them, and the others can easily beat them too. But I don't care about the difficulty. In fact, I'm kind of glad that it's easy. But yeah, I'm also disappointed with the event. There's no event tower. Yeah, this is one thing that many people have been complaining about. I know it's annoying and all, but it has to stop. Like, if there's no event tower, then what's the use? You might be thinking, but Crowther, these are season pass. Well, the season pass is also really lame. All there is skins. Skins and skins. Like, if there's only grind for skins, why should I even grind? There's no skins. So yeah, now there's no emote, there's no unique emote. Which is honestly really annoying. You have to agree that's really annoying. So, yeah, now there's no emote, no event crate, which is cooler than getting skins, simple skins. And that's way too good. Also, let me place a ranger right now. Yeah, I have a ranger. Anyways, also let me get a commander. So yeah, now that's, and yeah, there's also no in-game advantage that you get. You don't get any premium plate or anything like that. You only get skins, which is a super one. So yeah, now that's all. Anyways, you know what a stupid comment I made? This vile thing that makes me really mad. They're not even a bad for avoiding the, beating the event. I know you get a roll off, but you don't get any reward section. Now this might be the case in the Solar Eclipse event too. I don't know, and I don't care. Because you basically get nothing by beating the event, only cosmetics. Which is honestly super lame. I mean, then what's the point? And the event tower, there is none. There is no event tower. I mean, there is the engineer, sure, but that's just a pathetic excuse to get Roblox. Oh, it's fine. Roblox is important today and has earned real money, but still, 4,000 update is also really stupid. Like, God, who needs expression? Like, golly. Like, seriously, I think the devs got bored. So yeah, well that's it. And I honestly hope that the devs will reference in the next event they make, like get an event tower. Like seriously. And the excuse that the devs made, like not having an event tower, that's just lame. Like if you don't have time to work on the event tower, then why not just start working on it before